All right, everyone. A very good morning to all. Welcome to the risk sentiment video, and let's quickly have a look where we are. If we say the sentiment, what the market is thinking, where the market's mind is right now. So, if we talk about the sentiment is cautious. It's not. We can say on or off. It's just cautious because we are having a very big event at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and that's gonna be the NFP. And as we know that the FOMC really focused on the labor data right now, so getting a print out of the deviation is gonna create a huge volatility. So it's gonna be very interesting to look at that data. However, looking at the FX market, risk seems to me off. If we just look at the FX, Swiss franc, yen leading the pack, Canadian is after that, Aussie and the dollar not doing that great. It's just like as I said, it's just cautious over here in the FX market. Moving to the equities are lower across the board, starting with the yen. Yen is down by -2%, followed by the China, and the European stocks are not doing that great. Just consider it as a it's just consolidating. If we just skip the Japanese 225, is just to hide this. Let me see if I can do this. Okay. Okay, so I I don't think so. I can do it from here. However, you get the point. It's just like the rest of the equity market is just consolidating. Overall, it is down. And if we look at the commodity section, natural gas. I mean, it just showed really push higher. After that, it's uh lost its gains, and it's just consolidating. It's just being cautious in commodity section. Bond market, same story here. We do saw some sell off after the ADP data. However, ISM services print really pushed the yield up, but with the jobs data in the sub component came worse. The market just came to the back to the fears, and it's just the yield pushing it lower after the session. Currently, it's just sitting tight, waiting for the NFP data. Now, looking at looking at the calendar, let me just bring it up for you. What is going on in today? So we had GDP and the employment change. Nothing major over here. Just the GDP grow 0.6% year of year as of quarter two. It's not. I think it's just. It's not very convincing that the euro is doing great. Just and also it just came as expected. So there is nothing to look for over this event. Looking at the NFP, very important data. NFP, we expecting the market that 160K above or below this number can create some volatility. The second major component is gonna be the average hourly week earnings, and also the unemployment rate. Here, that one. Also, alongside with that, we are having labor data from Canada, and we can pair this together. If this comes better, this comes worse, we can put against each other, and can get some good nice pip out of that trade. However, it is also worth keep in mind that we are having a Fed's William after 50 minutes of that data can create some volatility. Make can say if we, let's say, get a dovish data, and he came said that, hey, you are really we're just not gonna be that aggressive that you think, and also getting priced by the market can give us a really hawkish comments, even vice versa. So be careful with that. And 12 Atlantic Standard Time, we're gonna have Waller speech. So these are the both speech. We There is a risk going through these trades if we hold after the NFP, but the time will tell how that trade goes. If we get some not that convincing data, we might stay out of the event. and we will look for another opportunities. However, that's gonna be the end of the day of the trading with the Fed Waller, and we're not gonna have anything much after that speech. So with that being said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And just a reminder that the risk is cautious, and the market is just waiting for the data, and after the data we can see some moves which way market goes, and we will try to take advantage of that. uh, Thank you all. Thank you. Bye bye now.